Property and Lease Management Module. You can effortlessly manage leases, contracts, and vendors, all from a centralized platform. Let's begin with the dashboard. The global admin has access to both the Lease dashboard and Tenant dashboard. These screens provide an overview of total property count, received and pending amounts, lease dues, and more. This visibility ensures you stay on top of renewals, expiries, and payments. Property Management Masters. Moving to the Property Management Master screen. Here, the global admin can configure and manage key data elements. Add Property Management Master. Add or modify various property types. Expense Head Master. Define or update heads for all kinds of expenses. Lease Escalation Master. Set escalation timelines for leases based on locations. These masters form the backbone for accurate and streamlined property handling, adding and modifying properties. Under Lease Management, we navigate to Add Property. Property in charges can create new property records, capturing essential details such as property type, location, insurance information, and more. They can also use the Add More Properties option to include multiple properties in a single request. Under View or Modify Property, users can edit existing property requests, add new properties under the same request, or make changes by clicking on the request ID. Property Request Approval. Once a property is added, the property admin or global admin can view the submitted request and approve or reject it as necessary. Lease Management. Now let's look at Add Lease. Here, users can record lease-related information such as rent, security deposit, agreement terms, landlord details, and even add multiple landlords under one lease. In the View or Modify Lease screen, property in charges can access lease records and make necessary modifications. Lease requests go through two levels of approval. Level 1 approval, reviewed and approved or rejected by the property admin. Level 2 approval, sent forward after Level 1 and processed by the higher authority. Uploading and managing documents. Post-property creation, users can upload relevant documents in the Upload Property Document section. These documents are viewable under View Property Document, where the admin can download and review them before approving or rejecting the request. Agreements. Let's look at Lease Service Agreements. Users can create service-level agreements by selecting vendor details, agreement periods, payment terms, and other criteria. For scenarios involving subleases, users can generate agreements with specific dates and payment structures. Sublease requests can be approved or rejected in bulk or individually using the request ID. Tax and payments. If applicable, users can confirm tax payment requirements by selecting Yes or No. Confirmed taxes get included in the rent calculations. Under rental payments, payments can be made monthly, quarterly, or based on custom terms. Partial payments are also allowed, and the system triggers automated emails to concerned landlords post-payment. Renewal of lease. For lease renewals, property in charges can raise a request, edit terms, and update landlord details. Just like initial leases, renewals follow a two-level approval process. Level 1, property admin reviews and processes requests. Level 2, additional validation and final approval. Lease extensions. Need to extend a lease? The lease extension screen allows property in charges to update expiry dates, modify rent or deposit details, and submit extension requests. Property admins can then approve or reject these requests either individually or in bulk. Surrender of lease. When a lease ends or is no longer valid, users can initiate a surrender lease request. Any outstanding balances or damages are captured in this process. Admins can review payment terms, upload possession letters, and approve or reject the surrender request. Utility expenses. Lastly, utility expenses can be recorded on a location-wise basis. This includes electricity bills, water charges, vendor details, bill numbers, and more. Gain complete control over property management with 10+ performated reports, live dashboards, and automated rental calculations for informed decision-making. This slide presents a detailed BI report for property management, showcasing lease status, branch-wise and state-wise summaries, and upcoming lease renewals for better financial and operational planning. Our AI-powered dashboards offer a high-level view of facility operations. Thank you for exploring QuickFMS. Request a free demo or walkthrough. No cost, just smarter facility management.